Trader, September 6, 2018. It's after the market close. It's a Thursday. I'm going to provide another trading report update on ticker symbol HEME. Remember to follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. So HealthMed, what she's done today, she gapped down. I really expected her to open where she closed and head higher. The fact that she gapped down, they try to put her back in the range. And if you reviewed my tutorial yesterday and last week, I said she broke her downtrend. She did break her downtrend. You can see right here that 3 trading days ago, I believe this was on Tuesday, you saw she was trading above it, then trailed down. On yesterday, she trailed right back above it, and today she gapped down. So sellers are trying to hold her down, but buyers are pushing her up. And if you viewed one of my posts on HEME, I posted about the bears. The bears are going to get assassinated in HEME. But for today, look, it gapped down, opened up at its lows at 0.0054, and then just rallied up to 0.0069. Okay, and once again, you see her above her downtrend. You see that right here once again. And if you remember, I stated keep your eyes on this reversal. So let me just remove this, and let me show you what it looks like. So you have the head here, you have the shoulders here, right? And what I'm going to do is just doodle right here, and this should be the other shoulder right here. Oops, right there. Okay? So that's what we're looking at right now. And I stated that, well, she should be higher by Friday's close. Tomorrow's Friday. I expected her to boom today. Unfortunately, the gap down held her from doing what I believe she should have done. But now there is tomorrow. You see the buyers, they're not letting the sellers push them around. And I think after today's trading day, I think the sellers know that, and they're getting a little nervous. So let's see what happens tomorrow. I expect her to pop. She's trading above the downtrend, and we'll do another follow-up moving forward. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher, and if you want to learn the trading language, visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, and review the live trading course section.